go with my rice and peas, guys. It's all about some French fried chicken, rain freestyle way. You know the vibe. On the side I have some gravy over here.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for her rain freestyle adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to we're back in the kitchen, guys. I'm just gonna freestyle in the kitchen, but in the meantime, guys, before we're going further, remember to like, share, comment if you haven't yet subscribers yet. The subscription button, join the movement. And guys, each time you subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell that each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Now, time to cook. Come along. Yes, my Freestyle Nation, so it's all about some rice and peas, the authentic Jamaican way. And the recipe for my rice and peas goes as follow. I'm using 2 cans of coconut milk, 3 cans of Pigeon peas, otherwise known as gungo peas, a scallion, thyme, scotch, bonnet, pepper, garlic, and of course some salt. Now I will go ahead and start the preparation for my rice and peas. In the meantime, guys, remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, hit the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle, you know the vibes. Rice and peas, Jamaican way, the authentic way. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so I'm about to start the preparation for my rice and peas. Right here, I'm opening the can, the peas, and right here is my pot. Pour my peas in. And as for me, guys, I like when my rice and peas has a lot of peas in it. So I'm using 3 cans of the green Pigeon peas, otherwise known as gungo peas. So put my gungo peas in. So here you have it, guys. 3 tins of gungo peas is now in. I'm now going to add my coconut milk. And guys, as for your rice and peas, you can't go rice and peas and you don't have your coconut milk. If you're cooking rice and peas and you don't have any coconut milk, just don't worry to cook it. Because the coconut milk is really the strength of the rice and peas. Alright? So right here is my pot with my peas and my coconut milk. I'm about to season it now. Right here are some garlic. After adding my garlic freestyle, I will go ahead and add some scallion, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. Now add some scallion, guys. I washed my scallion and I crushed it. So you get the full flavor from your scallion. Put it in the pot. Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using a ripe scotch bonnet pepper. Wash it, drop it in the pot. And of course you're gonna need your thyme. As the thyme give your rice and peas a nice flavor also. So I wash my thyme. Put it in. You're going rice and peas, guys, you have to have your pimento berries. A few grains of pimento berries in it. As you know, you get that nice flavor from the pimento. Now it's time to put this on the stove, guys, to cook. So probably like about 15 to 10 minutes. And then it's time for us to add the rice. Alright, stay tuned. So freestyle, we're now going to add some salt. After adding your salt, guys, I'm also going to add a small amount of sugar. Then you want to stir everything together. Now my rice and peas pot is completely seasoned. I'm now going to cover the pot and I'm going to allow my season to cook. Then it's time for us to add the rice. Stay tuned. So freestyle, by now our season is now cooked and it's now time for us to add our rice. Add your rice to the pot with the peas. Here you have it. Rice and peas arranged freestyle way. You know the vibe, freestyle. Nice and shelly, nice and delicious. It's all about the gungo peas rice on a Sunday. After you put your rice in the freestyle, what you want to do next is you want to make sure you stir your rice with the peas. So you know the peas is all over in your rice and your rice is all over in the peas, alright? So here you have it. And then you want to make sure, guys, that you have just the right amount of water in it. And you don't want to have your rice too tough and you don't want to have your rice too soft, alright? So time to cover this pot. And we're going to give it probably like about 15 minutes, then our rice should be completed. Stay tuned. And to go with our rice and peas freestyle, we have some fried chicken over here. It's coming along nice and lovely, as you can see for yourself. So it's all about rice and peas, fried chicken, arranged freestyle way on a Sunday. You know the vibes. So freestyle is now time to check on our rice and peas to see what's going on for it. And as you can see, guys, I'm going to open the pot. Let me remove the scotch bonnet because, guys, you don't want this to burst in the rice and peas. Alright, so I already know. Now you want to get a fork, guys, and you want to dig in your rice and peas. You want to dig and stir. And as you can see, guys, my rice is not too soft, it's not too tough. It's just right. Nice and delicious, guys. And I must tell you, guys, whenever I cook rice and peas, trust me, you don't need any meat to eat my rice and peas. Because it is already full of flavor, already full of taste, nice and shelly. Look at that. Rice and peas arranged freestyle way. And as I said before, guys, rice and peas is already completed. And over here we have some fried chicken coming on nice and lovely. So you already know, rice and peas, the arranged freestyle way, the authentic Jamaican way. You know the vibes. Freestyle. Rice and peas, guys, it's all about some French fried chicken arranged freestyle way. You know the vibe. On the side I have some gravy over here. And the freestyle, I must tell you this, guys, if you go to a restaurant and you say rice and bean on the menu board, walk out of that restaurant. It's not a Jamaican restaurant. We don't go rice and bean when you come on to Jamaican thing. It's all about rice and peas, alright? So again, if you go into a restaurant and you say rice and bean on the menu board, walk out. It is not a Jamaican restaurant. It's a Jamaican restaurant. So you have it, nice and delicious, some French fried chicken and our rice and gungo peas. You know the vibes. Until next time, freestyle. Catch you in the next one. Remember, like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet, hit the subscription button. Join the movement. You know the vibes. Like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet, the subscription button. Join the movement. Freestyle.